So your homepage is almost like your sales page. And very simply, I would say you're going to have your hero banner. Then underneath that, here's what you could get and here's the change it's going to make. Here's what you need and this is what it'll do for you. Really quick impact. Then underneath, your second section is going to be about the problems people are having. So you've got this problem and you can't solve this and this is how it's affecting you and this is how it's affecting your business. The pain. First section, the impact, the change. Second section is the pain. The third section is how we're going to sort out that pain. What are you going to do? There might be a course, there might be a guide, there might be a website build, there might be marketing, it might be about growing, getting new clients. The fourth section is now the evidence. And the evidence could be companies you've worked with, case studies, very short, carousel. It could be testimonials, it could be Google reviews, it could be examples of work you've done where it's made a difference. Then the fifth, hero banner. I did my fingers wrong then. Hero banner, pain, what you're going to do for them, how they're going to get around that pain, the testimonials or the evidence. And then the fifth thing will be, this is what you need to get. So you've told them how you're going to help them, but this is what you need to get. You need to get this. So you've told them immediately, here's the change that's going to happen. You've told them about the pain and they're nodding their head going, yeah, I feel that pain. Now you've told them you're going to fix it. Ooh, I'm interested now. Now you're giving them the evidence. That's your fourth section. Okay, evidence looks real. Testimonials. Change has happened. Now buy. Get it. Click here to get this. Click here to buy the course. Click here to do X, Y, Z. And then underneath that, you now want to kind of, in a clever way, say, if you don't get that course, which is item 5, you don't get that, you're missing out. You're going to have more pain, more problems, and you're going to regret it. When you think about it like that, there's your 6. And then after that, you have your footer or a gallery or your Insta feed if you really want to do that. But if you get those 6 things, right? Let's go over it again. Impact, the pain, the problem. How they're going to get around it. How are they going to get around that pain? What are you going to tell them to do? The evidence. Now the product. Now, what are they going to miss out on if they don't? Why it's a mistake. Why they're going to have more problems and they really should think about making that change. There's your 6 things for your homepage. It doesn't work for every scenario. It won't always work for a shop. It won't always work for simple stuff like a creche or a nursery or a play center or golf. Doesn't always work. But if you think about it, like look at golf, right? You want the freedom to play golf. The pain. Other places are small. Other places only have 5 holes. Other places don't have bunkers. Other places don't have good instructors or clubs or places to park your car. We've got that. Right? How are you going to fix the pain? We've got that. We've got top quality instructors. We've got massive 18-hole courses. We've got a bar. We've got a restaurant, changing rooms. We've got a club. Right? Okay. And then you're going to give them testimonials. People going, we love it. We love this place. Now join. Join our golf membership. And then you're going to let them know, look, you don't have to join. You could go elsewhere. But remember, if you want all of these benefits and rewards, you need to come along. And that's where you might throw in a offer. And by the way, we've got a special discount for the next month. I need to do a video on that. Or maybe I'll turn this into a video. And if you're watching, I probably already have turned it into a video. But I think that's a really great way to set up your homepage, your sales page. People often don't realize your homepage is your sales page. I'm not being judgmental here, right? But if someone's trying to lose weight, and your impact is, this is how you're going to lose weight. No, not how you lose weight. This is how we're going to change your life. And then you talk about the pain. You tried diets. You tried this. You tried X, Y, Z. You actually put on more weight. It wasn't working. Your stamina's not there. You know, your self-esteem is sinking. If people want to lose weight, they're going to read that and go, yeah, that's me. And then you go into, this is what we're going to do about it. You've drawn them in. And I feel like it might just be enough to... And I don't even want to say lure them in because you don't want it to be trickery. You don't want to mislead, misrepresent, or feed on people's emotions. But sometimes you have to feed on the pain. Because when people relate to what you're saying, you're halfway there to convincing them to go ahead. It's why people advertise food and drinks on TV and commercials. They want to say to you that, if you're hungry or you're thirsty, this is what you need, and it often works.